advance your cause. Move any two loyalists to recruits, and move any two recruits to loyalists. Cards cannot swap sides of the board. So when playing this card, it's a very strategic card because it seems very simple. I can move 2 cards up and 2 cards back, or any sort of order I want, but I can move 4 cards basically. So what I'm going to do in this case is I have F the man here, which adds or deducts +5, -5 to red and blue. So I'm going to basically move those 2 back, because instead of moving this 8, I'd rather move the 4, because that's worth 9 points with this card here. In this case, I'm going to move 2 forward. Whether I have Profitable Venture here, which adds an extra 5 points to this, is kind of irrelevant, because honestly I would want the 13 and 12 off that recruit row as fast as I can. So essentially I'm able to move some cards around the board and slowly start moving these towards protecting them and my own allies. Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wheels team, just subscribe to us below.